Hi everyone, my name is James Heraldez, and also my team is James Lee Abaned and Jeremiah Nator. So this is our topic, Gaussian elimination method. Here is who discovered the Gaussian elimination methods. So German mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss in 1777 1855. Gaussian elimination is the one of the most fundamental algorithms in linear algebra for solving system of linear equation. Name after German mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss. This method transforms a system of equation into an equivalent, simpler form by performing a sequence of operation on its matrix representation. So, solving a Gaussian elimination method is using matrix form or matrix equation. So what is Gaussian elimination method? So Gaussian elimination is an algorithm for solving system of linear equation by systematically transforming the augmented matrix of the system in a row echelon form or REF. This transformation preserves the solution set while making it easier to find the values of the variable. So matrix form or sequence like XYZ. So that's it.
Good day everyone. So here we have row echelon form. So sa row echelon form is part of Gaussian elimination, which is matrix ni siya. So let's go straight to the point. How to identify if it is a row echelon form? So here we have four classifications to identify them. Una, any rows consisting entirely of zeros appear at the bottom. So nakita to din sa example sa ubos na ay kaning ubos ba sa 000 ang ubos niya, meaning kani row echelon form siya. Next we have in any non-zero, the first number from the left is a 1 called the leading or the pivot. So sa left ani niya example sa una na may 113, 011 o 001. So mga po niya i-describe sa ikaduha. Meaning, ang nag-una niya is 0, then 1. So next, in any two successive non-zero rows, leading one on top ang leading one on top is the left and the one on the bottom. So meaning, sa ubos ang example, makita to diha ang 110 ug ang 001. So diha ang gipasabot sa ikatulo. Meaning, sa duha ka 0 na nagsunod, ang sa babaw, sa left side na ay 1, ug ang bottom side na ay 1. So, next. The matrix is reduced to row echelon form. If it is REF, all of the above hold, and any column containing leading 1 is 0 and all other entries. So, morning, ikaupat ng example, which is pa mubo siya gi-reduce. So, kaning 1, 2, 0, 1, o 0, 0. So, leading 1 is 0 in all other entries. Okay. That's all. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am James Leobanet and I'm going to give you an example of Gaussian elimination. So how to solve Gaussian elimination? So we have four ways in solving Gaussian elimination. First, translate the system to its augmented matrix A. Second, use Gaussian elimination to reduce A to RAF or row echelon form. Note that the row echelon form of A has the same solution set. Third, for each column which does not contain a pivot, introduce a parameter and set the corresponding variable equal to that parameter. Fourth, substitute the parameter back into the remaining non-zero equation. This will produce a solution for its remaining variable. As you can see in the right corner, we have a sample problem. We're going to solve that problem. So this is the given of the problem. So first, we need to simplify this into matrix form. So simplify this into matrix form. So x is 1. In row 1, x is 1. 2x2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2x2. In row 3, 1, 3, 5, 6. So this is the matrix form. So the second we need to do is make it into row echelon form, so we can get the answer. So R2 to R2 minus 1, R2 R2 minus R1. So to get this is subtract the first row from the second to eliminate the x1 in row 2. Repeat na. So copy the row 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and also copy the row 3, 0, 2, 1, 6, and so kwanza. So we need to subtract this, no? So ang row 2 no is i-subtract na to sa row 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So dali na siya dapita, no? And also buhaton sa nato siya sa tanang row. So 3 minus 2, 1, na 2 minus 1 is 1. Then total is 2. So next we're gonna do is you can eliminate the x2 from row 3 using row 2. So R3 to R3 minus 2R2. So copy 2, 1, 1, 3, and 2. So 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So eliminate the x2 from row 3. So eliminate na to ang x2 na nasa row 3. So this is gonna become 0, 1, and negative 2. So now we can solve the answer. In row 3, the x3 is negative 2. In the second row, x2 plus x3 equals 2. So we're going to simplify this. X2 equals 2. Then transpose the x3. So mahimong negative. So negative x3 na ang value sa x3 is negative 2. So 2 minus negative 2 is positive 4. And sa first row kay x1 plus x2 x3 plus x3 equals 3. So x1 na itong gipangita. So simplify x1 equals 3 minus 2 2x3. Ang value sa x3 is negative 2 minus negative 2 x3. Ang answer kay negative 3. So the answer in the first row x1 is negative 3 and the second row is positive 4 and the fourth row and and the third row is negative 2.